Want to know who I am? I am Anonymous, who is crazy about hacking. Actually, my blood is made of hacking cells. I am an ethical hacker and beginning my journey to make a big team of ethical hackers. All the contents in my video are subject to copyrights. And this is all for education purposes only. Any misuse of these tricks by anyone, I will not be responsible for any.
Get low when the whistle go.
Welcome back to Anonymous family. In today's video, I am going to take you to the secrets of the dark web. I will explore the dark web and the secrets, the hidden things which are present in the dark web. So first, I will tell you what is dark web. A dark web is a place where Google is not able to search. It is a secret place on the internet where Google is not able to find information. We have to use different browser like Tor browser to access that part of internet. It secretly hide things like drugs, which are all illegal things, guns, child pornography, and many more things. But first, we have to secure ourselves so that they cannot trace our IP address. You have to double protect yourself. First, you have to use a VPN, and then you have to use a Tor browser. For VPN, I can suggest you a paid VPN, which is very good to protect yourself because free VPN mostly sell your information to other websites. But if you want to try a free VPN, the Betternet is a good option. So you have to download this Tor browser. I will provide the link in the description, and then start the Tor browser. This browser hides our IP address and protects us from any scripts.
We all wanna be a little stronger. Each fall takes a piece out of our hearts. So I'll run away into the darkest parts of me. I need a change, desperately. I thought love was a lost art till you showed me some sanctuary. Now I never wanna let you go. Never gonna let you go until we're both old souls running out for love.
If you want to search the dark web, you will not find the links of the dark web directly. So you will find those links in the hidden Wikipedia. You have to search keywords like Silk Road. Silk Road is a marketplace for dark web in which a lot of illegal things are being sold in that place. So I've searched the Wikipedia of that Silk Road, and here in the Silk Road Wikipedia you will find the link. You will find the link at that place. I will show you. Here is the website link. The link of the website changes every day, so only you can find the perfect link in the Wikipedia itself only. So now copy this link and paste it in the URL, and make sure do not trust anyone in the dark web, and do not never provide your secret information like address, phone number to anyone on the dark web. Surfing dark web is not illegal, but if you purchase something illegal there, it can be under crime. Now enter the captcha. Now finally we have entered into the dark web. In dark web there are a lot of websites, and Silk Road is the main. Silk Road is also a main website, one of them. Here you can see a lot of drugs, and they're at a good price. You can also get cloud cards, high balance, 10k plus USA credit cards, which are being used for illegal purchases. Amazon drugs, drug lord. Here you will get all kinds of drugs and they will deliver at your address, but you have to trust them on at your risk. So let's see what's more in this website. Cannibal, weed, edibles, cocaine, every kind of drugs. Here you can find guns. Here is the Visa card. They are assuring that they will provide 10,000 plus USD credit card balance at just $145. This is so amazing. You just have to hide your identity. You have to place orders from some other address. But this is not legal, so you should understand all the problems you can face after this. There are a lot of things. By ordering from this vendor, you agree to this policy. Buyers have a fifth delivery to request a replacement. You will check your card on the checker. If yes, mismatches or low balance card does not count as invalid card. Not everyone is loaded with money. They can also provide you with cards without balances, so that you can take this at your own risk. They won't assure you with a lot of money. And they will only send a replacement one time. That's better.
What about making yours sound better?
Shipping is free. That's awesome. There are a lot of reviews for this. Let's search another thing. Wow, 1 gram feed paste, 10 gram feed amphetamine, 80% pure. It's a heaven for drug dealers. They also provide a lot of services like PayPal, PayCard, Global Trade Board, Spanish passport, Big Pack software, anti-detect, double your Bitcoin. This looks interesting. Guys, I'm just making this video to give you some knowledge about the dark web and their secrets. So if you like this video, you must subscribe to my channel. This will give me support and encouragement to make new videos for you guys. And watch this video completely. I'm also going to show you some more things. Now let's go to the ebook section. There are a lot of things in ebooks like Wi-Fi hacking, top shelf cache, cash money, learn how to make lots of cash, best black hat hacking package, ultimate PayPal guide. There are really a lot of things. looks interesting. And never try to search the dark web without the
What
VPN.
about making your
Otherwise, they will trace
sound
your
better?
IP address and they will find your location. And if you purchase anything, they will charge you illegal for this. So always make sure before doing anything on the dark web. So let's search something different. Black Hat SEO. Black Hat SEO is a guide for boosting the traffic in the website. If they don't have this, okay, let's remove the tick. Oh fuck, they have a lot of different things. CC Cash Out using Western Union, how to duplicate gift cards, how to make 25 to like $50,000, how to card Nike, YouTube passive income at just $1. It's so cheap. Black Hat is a hacking guide, basically. I want a hacking guide for
What about
SEO, so I
making
will
your
just
sound
searching for
better?
that. Make money with Instagram. Black Hat. Price $1. I think they don't including shipping charges. They will add the shipping charges when you place the order. Category ebooks. And if you order something from this dark web, you must read these policies, because if you don't read properly, you will face problem afterwards. If this guide is outdated or it is not working for you, send us a message and leave a bad review if you replace it guide for another one. If you leave a bad review, the support will not be available. It's weird. Let's check this stealth order. So in stealth order, you can just press order once, and they will, and your all the secret information will be removed after 28 days. It's just basically if you want to purchase just only one time from dark web. Best Black Hat hacking package 1200 items. Basically their payment method is Bitcoin, Litecoin, Monero, Ethereum. And just for $10. I will definitely purchase something, and then I will upload a video for that too.
Staring at the stars in the back of my car. Trying to figure
Now
out
let's search
just
for
who
other
we
onion
are.
websites.
Catching moments on our phones, taking pictures, call it home. Taking words out of our favorite songs, our favorite songs. We can stay up all night. Yeah, we'll show them we were right. The city is ours for life. Will you take my hand tonight?
See, they have also mentioned you can only find those websites on hidden Wikipedia. And the link of that hidden Wikipedia is here. Let's open the hidden Wikipedia.
Wearing cheap perfume, smoking the rain. I make you laugh, trying to heal the pain. Now we're stuck in hotels, missing home. Getting fucked up on our own. Trying to find the place where we belong, where we belong. We can stay young together.
If you get any script like this, you should always deny or block this request because it may be some virus or anything which will damage your computer.
We can fall like a feather.
Friends, if you like this video, make sure to subscribe, like and comment on my video. This will give me support and encouragement to make more new videos for you guys. See you guys in the next video.
Haven't joined my army yet? Go on and join my army. Be careful, Anonymous is